Okay, so here's the stock Lexus transmission mount. Kind of a work of art in its own right. Plenty beefy. I went and test fitted it under there, and basically right smack dab in the middle of this is where the stock LS 4L60E mount runs. So it's not perfect. I'm going to space this down for now with some washers, but frankly no big deal, and it should bolt up, which is pretty amazing. Very nice, except for not enough threads. That sucks. Otherwise, besides spacers, but it will definitely work in the end. Probably end up not using that mount, but making it work is going to be easy. So that's the good news. Actually cut the transmission mount rubber off. I'm going to use this steel base plate and then use a hockey puck like I'm doing for motor mounts. That's going to make that the right length. I think that's going to work great. So we're going to cut this first. So this gives me a plate that is already got the bolts drilled. It's plenty thick, and now I can take that bad boy, drill a hole in the right place. I honestly think that's going to be the right height too, but we can double check that real quick. I'm going to go with just about perfect because I want that trans to drop a little bit. Anyway, just going to let it drop about a quarter of an inch maybe, which is about exactly what I want it to do. I don't know how much of that footage actually turned out, but bottom line is, there's the stock cross member bolted. There's the plate that I modified, probably with bad footage. And now, slide that right in there. It's going to come down about a perfect amount. So I just have to figure out where to drill things. Right now I could let the jack down to figure out where to drill things. I think I'll probably drill it through the puck first, And then I can make a marker, and I'll weld a bolt to that top plate, and that'll be that. A drilled hockey puck. Pretty much right there. So that was a pretty decent way of doing it, I think. So basically what I'm going to do, drill a hole big enough for a long bolt. I'm going to weld that bolt to this plate, and it will stick down through. The hockey puck part will be replaceable forever, if it needs to be, and everything else will be able to be unbolted. Okay, so I am eventually going to make this flush, but I'm going to tack it on there so that it's straight underneath. I know it's straight because I've got it bolted down, and then I'm going to tack under here and then shave this off and weld that in like a plug weld. The way I'm doing this, I have this little extra lip here, and that hump barely goes above it. I'm just going to weld all the way around and shave it down. Okay, so that bolt's not going anywhere. Lucky buck, come on. And a little bit of play. Not the end of the world, because that's the long thing's flexible. So we're gonna there you go, sitting on there. Man, I'll be getting stuff off and paint it, but as far as putting me in a spot where I got a mountain, there we go. Calling it a day. I got a lot less done than I kind of thought I would, but when you're fabricating, you're always going to have that happen, so at least I have it in the right spot for the drive shaft, and I didn't have to, I had to fabricate some stuff for this, but not bad. And now I know where the motor mounts need to be.